Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the Unnamed Podcast. And of course, I am your host, RJ Akash, aka Evil Monkey. द अननेम पॉडकास्ट में मैं बात करता हूं कुछ ऐसी अमेजिंग पर्सनालिटीज के साथ जो अपने काम से अपनी लाइफ में तो चेंजेस ला ही रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ सोसाइटी में भी अमेजिंग चेंजेस ला रहे हैं. एंड इफ यू नो समबडी जो अपने काम से सोसाइटी और अपनी लाइफ में चेंजेस ला रहे हैं, या फिर आप खुद एक ऐसी शख्सियत हैं, देन फील फ्री टू ड्रॉप मी एन ईमेल ऑन evilmonkeyden@gmail.com. अगर बात करें मेरे आज के गेस्ट की, सो वेल ही इज द फॉर्मर सीईओ ऑफ दृश्यम फिल्म्स एंड नाउ ही हैज स्टार्टेड हिज ओन कंपनी बाय द नेम ऑफ प्लाटून 1. मेरे आज के गेस्ट हैं शिलादित्य बोरा. वेल, शिलादित्य आसाम से बिलोंग करते हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद ही हैज मेड हिज ओन मार्क इन द बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री. ही हैज वर्कड ऑन न्यूमरस अमेजिंग फिल्म्स जैसे कि न्यूटन एंड मेनी मोर. तो चलिए बात करते हैं शिलादित्य से एंड लेट्स नो अबाउट हिज जर्नी इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री.
Hi.
Hello Shiladitya, how are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
So, how your things have been during this Corona time?
Initially, like in the month of, say, I think March, when the lockdown first started, at that time we were planning to release Rohan Agera's Khan winning film, Sir, at the theaters on March 28th. But because of the theater closure, it couldn't happen. So at that time, I was like, we were like कि चलो अब जो है 10-12 दिन का लॉकडाउन होगा, 1 अप्रैल पे सिनेमास खुल जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, विल ओपन द सिनेमास ऑन release the film in first week of March. Then जो है फिर first week of April, so first week of April का फिर 15 अप्रैल हुआ, फिर धीरे 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 then I realized, oh my god, this is going to stay for a long time.
Right.
And देखते देखते जो है it has been, I don't know, even 6-7 months, जो है almost like 7-8 months. So the thing is that now, like, yeah, it's like mostly working from home only. And we have been developing, we have been working, we've been utilizing this time to basically prepare ourselves for our projects in the year 2021. We have developed some show bibles, we have pitched it to a few platforms, we are trying to do some pre-production for some other upcoming projects of ours. So we have and also doing some writing stuff and all, developing basically. So the major time is being now spent in development, which is a good thing. So in India, not much time is generally given in the development of projects. So yeah. So I think that way, like the last couple of months have been quite useful, fruitful only. Yeah.
If we talk about you, so like you come from Ahmedabad, and like, so how difficult it was for you to make into the film industry?
Actually, I don't come from Ahmedabad. I am from Assam, Jorhat, a small town
Okay.
called Jorhat in Assam. Okay, I came to Ahmedabad to do my engineering. So I did my studies, engineering and masters from Ahmedabad. Okay, so for me, yeah, there has been definitely this is like my 11th or 12th year in the industry. Okay, and there have been many ups and downs, and we are still trying. But for me, what I would say that I started my career with PVR Cinemas, okay, and at PVR Cinemas, I was working at the PVR corporate office in Gurgaon, and so I should say I have always been blessed with very good bosses. Okay, so at PVR, like I have been trained under some of the best industry leaders like Mr. Gautam Datta, who is the CEO of PVR Cinemas Group, and he's been like a mentor guru. And 4.5 years I spent working with sir. Like, it has been a tremendous experience, it has been a tremendous learning experience. And after that I worked with Drishyam Films for around 2 years. So in PVR, I learned about more about distribution, theatrical release, marketing, and all. And in Drishyam, it was more about learning the nitty-gritties of production. I got an opportunity to work in some of the best independent films coming out of the country in the last decade. So overall, like although there have been ups and downs, I do not have any regrets. Okay, and the thing is that see हर चीज में time तो लगता है. Okay,
Hmm.
so time तो लगता है, but I think you if you are consistent, if you are sincere, if you are hardworking and all, जो है एक ना एक दिन it happens. Okay, ek na ek din it happens. So like that way, like I do not have any complaints. I do not have any regrets. I that way I do not have any that kind of bad experience. Okay, yeah,
Hmm.
I do have my own share of rejections. Okay, but that doesn't mean that like that the industry is bad or people are bad. So in everything, not only in films, you have to first prove yourself. Why should someone give you a chance? Why should someone trust you? Okay,
Hmm.
so first you
Hmm.
prove yourself. धीरे 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 जैसे जैसे मैं अपने को प्रूव करता गया तो मुझे मेरे लिए और अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुलती गई. So
Hmm.
I like for me, it has been like the best years of my life, and it has been a fantastic experience working in the Indian film industry or the Hindi film industry. Yeah.
Like and like you know, you pointed out that you come from an engineering background, and I know lot many people from engineering background who got into filmmaking. So why is this like kind of a curve of like when we call about inspiration that many engineers are tend to, you know, drawn towards filmmaking?
So actually, the thing is that in India, like, जो है, if we are coming from a middle class family, with working parents and all, okay.
Hmm.
So like engineering and medical are like the two things जो है which you look forward to, which is like. See, हम जब पढ़ रहे थे उस टाइम लाइक आई कैन मतलब थिंकिंग ऑफ सिनेमा एज अ करियर लाइक ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं थी. ओके,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
the so engineering or medical is something you do. It's like that's like the graduation जो है वो जो है.
Hmm.
And then when I came to Ahmedabad to do my engineering, that was like for the first time I have come to a big city kind of. I'm exposed to all these new things for the first time. I have
Hmm.
come out of home and all. Okay, so the thing is that it's so our real journey, actual journey, what I want to do where in life or what gives me most happiness, that all those things I discovered during my engineering when while doing engineering only, while doing
Hmm.
engineering while doing my graduation. Okay,
Right.
so like I think I guess that's the similar case for most of these people because सबको सब जो होता है कि ग्रेजुएशन करने के लिए पहले उनके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी यही रहती है कि चलो इंजीनियरिंग कर लो मेडिकल कर लो. एंड इट्स ऑल्सो something like gives you an opportunity to get out of home to explore the world, and then you
Hmm.
figure out ki, maybe what is your calling.
Absolutely, absolutely, very true. And like, like you said that you started off your career in PVRs, so like it's more of a corporate approach towards filmmaking. Like now, then you work with Dishram Films, which was more of an independent curve. So, Abhi, what do you miss the most when it talk in terms of movies? So, do you miss the corporate part of it, or do you miss the filmmaking part of it?
No, I don't miss any because I am doing exactly what I always wanted to do. Okay,
Hmm.
I wanted to produce. मेरा हमेशा से aim था कि I will produce films. Okay, I will direct films. Okay, I like working on marketing and distribution. That gives me a kind
Hmm.
of high. So I do not miss anything. In fact, like with every step जो है पीवीआर में जब तक था तब तक मैं एक पर्टिकुलर काम करता था. फिर मैं जब दृश्यम आया मेरा जो है बैंडविड्थ और मेरा नेटवर्क और मेरा स्केल ऑफ वर्क एंड एवरीथिंग इंक्रीज हुआ जो है आफ्टर
Hmm.
लाइक व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट यस नाउ आई हैव गुड इनफ 8-9 years of experience. Now I want to explore. um I want to venture out on my own. Okay, so
Hmm.
now I do not miss anything. Yeah, the only thing is that see the Platoon One Films. It's a self-sustainable company. We work on the marketing and distribution of films. We the syndication of films. We make our own money. Okay, and we then
Hmm.
reinvest that money that into films. Okay, unless Drishyam, which is like a funded company, and again PVR, which is again a big corporate. So that is
Right.
for an independent company, financing or fundraising is definitely a challenge. Okay, so
Hmm.
that is something which we are working on right now. So that is something maybe like yes, यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि like sometimes I want to do a particular project and a particular say um, in a particular time frame. Okay,
Hmm.
but for
Hmm.
that I have to go out in the market, raise the financing. Okay, and it depends. The time cycle of the project depends a lot on like whether I've been able to get the financing done or not. Sometimes some projects doesn't happen. Okay, so
Hmm.
that way, like that is something when you are working on a PV with PVR or Drishyam, you are kind of it's also the financing or funding is not a problem. But I like that part of it also. So there's so yeah. So I
But
do not
but
miss anything. Yeah.
yeah, but you love the feeling of working for your own self and like
Oh
you
yes,
know.
I work 24 by not like almost 7 days a week. Almost I work every day. Even in lockdown also I say I have always followed the same routine. I get up at 7:30 and like I work almost like till 8 9 p.m. at night. So I'm kind of a workaholic.
Hmm.
जिस दिन मुझे कुछ काम नहीं होता, I kind of get a bit restless. I don't know what to do. Okay,
Hmm.
so like yeah, so working gives me the what is it gives me a kind of high. Okay, so yeah, I love it.
And like so what was your inspiration? What drew you towards filmmaking?
What drew me into filmmaking? So it is something. It actually happened. Something like that when I was doing my engineering. Okay, at the time,
Hmm.
like I have come like out of home for the first time, and then मेरे जो engineering college के पास जो है, so there used to be a cyber cafe called Login Cyber Cafe. Okay, so
Okay.
पहली पहली बार घर से बाहर, so I used to go to login हर रात को जाके जो है I'd spend hours and hours जो है surfing the internet and all, and like we go to all those chat room chat and so
Hmm.
there used to be a website called I think filmmaker.com or something, which used to be a forum where film school students and upcoming filmmakers and indie filmmakers they will post their
Okay.
queries and discuss. So I think I also used to do a little bit of reading and exploring. And one day जो है मैं ना photography करता था जो है and
Hmm.
photography करता था with a basic camera and all these things, and people used to tell कि you do good and all, जो your compositions
Hmm.
are very good. So मुझे भी अच्छा लगता था and all, but मुझे कभी पता नहीं था कि सिनेमा भी ऐसे करियर लिया जा एज अ करियर ऑप्शन लिया जा सकता है क्या. फिर one day
Hmm.
it's by destiny, I say I met this gentleman called Mainak Dhar in an online chat. So Mainak was assistant to Prakash Jha in Gangajal. Okay, and
Okay.
Mainak was doing a course in cinema at Los Angeles City College. He was doing a जब मैं मैनाक के साथ बात किया तो मैंने कहा वाओ सिनेमा एज अ करियर भी लिया जा सकता है. सो आई गॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड विद द आइडिया. ओके, सो आई
Hmm.
गॉट वेरी, मैं बोला यहाँ पे यू हैव क्रिएटिव सेटिस्फेक्शन ऑल्सो, तुम्हें घूमने भी मिलता है, पैसा भी मिलता है जो है, मतलब सब कुछ है, ग्लैमर भी है. सो दिस इज समथिंग लाइक इट वाज लाइक अ career which gives you full satisfaction kind of. So when
Hmm.
so this was like my first year of engineering, and then उसके बाद जब मैं समर वेकेशन पे घर गया तो आई टोल्ड माय पेरेंट्स कि मैं ना इंजीनियरिंग के बाद आई वांट टू गो टू एलए टू स्टडी films, and they got the shock of their life. And देवर लाइक कि मतलब फिल्म्स वो भी यूएस में जाके जो है फिर थोड़ा
Hmm.
घर में रोना धोना नाटक एंड जो है. And finally my
Hmm.
parents have always been very cooperative, and finally they agreed.
Hmm.
So after I graduating, after I completed my engineering in 2005, I went to US to pursue an Associates of Arts program in cinema. Associates of Arts program in cinema because I applied to all the top-notch film schools. Okay, I applied to
Hmm.
USC, University of Southern California's graduate program, UCLA, Tisch School of Arts. But since I didn't had a portfolio, no prior kind of experience, so I couldn't get through the MFA Master of Fine Arts program. But I badly wanted to go. So what I did, like I Los Angeles City College is basically community college. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I went there to do this program. It's a 2 year program. Okay, but the thing is that but somehow, like after going there, I figured out I was not somehow I felt a bit underconfident kind of underconfidence मुझे लगा कि
Oh.
it's like a two वहाँ जाने के बाद मैंने देखा कि जो what the other students are doing and also मुझे लगा कि it's a 2 year course but people take 4 to 5 years to complete the course and after that the real struggle starts if you make it nothing like it but if you don't make it you're left with very other options so मुझे ना थोड़ा घबराहट kind of हो गया and I was not very sure so जो है I like I came back within a couple of weeks time. Okay, so I
Mm-hmm.
didn't continue with that course and like my father was like I called up my father and मैंने बोला मेरा यहाँ बहुत अच्छा मन नहीं लग रहा and all. So I don't know I want to come back and my father was like क्या मतलब अभी तो इतना नाटक करके रोना धोना करके you went to US जो है अब तो मैं भी HBO में रोज एक फिल्म देखता हूँ and now you are talking about coming back but फिर like my parents have always been very supportive and so finally उन्होंने बोला my father called up and he was like कि चलो आ जाओ देखेंगे we'll figure out जो है after coming back
Mm-hmm.
I have nothing else to do in life when you have nothing else to do I always say you do an MBA so I wrote my CAT exams and I got through a college called Wellinger in Mumbai.
Hmm.
So I joined Wellinger. I joined Wellinger and मुझे मैं था कि चलो Wellinger ज्वाइन भी कर लूंगा इधर कोशिश भी करता रहूंगा जो है कि कहीं मुझे कहीं पे एडी का काम मिल जाए या कहीं पे कोई मूवी मार्केटिंग में इंटर्नशिप करने मिल जाए एंड ऑल दिस थिंग जो है
Hmm.
चलता रहा जो है एंड एंड इन माय सेकंड अटेम्प्ट एक्चुअली आई गॉट थ्रू माइका मुद्रा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशंस अहमदाबाद सो एक साल
Okay.
वेलिंगकर में पढ़ने के बाद मैंने वेलिंगकर छोड़ दिया and then I finally ended up in Mica, Mudra Institute of Communications in I think it was 2007, I guess. Huh? I don't know, 6 or 7,
Okay.
2007, I guess. So and so in Mica, what it's like we used to. There was a course called corporate venturing and entrepreneurship. Okay, जिसमें क्या होता था you used to make business you need to make business plans and if your business plan is good enough, so Mica Entrepreneurship Development Center will incubate it. It will incubate it and it will support it till it becomes a financial viable kind of thing. So like
Hmm.
lot many other people, so I also made a business plan which looks very good on paper, but when it comes to executing in real life, okay, so that मतलब it's not that feasible or like बहुत सारे उसमें factors hai kind of but the thing is
Hmm.
uh, like somehow like I got selected so out of the 26 business plans so my business plan got selected and one thing led to the another so I finally founded this thing called Ahmedabad International Film Festival in 2008 okay and
Okay.
I ran it successfully for 3 years the first year it was a huge success but second year I made like losses like anything I was practically on road kind of so I made loss in like मतलब almost close to 35-40 lakhs of loss जो है
Mm-hmm.
and लोग मेरे
Mm-hmm.
घर के बाहर पैसे मांगने मतलब अहमदाबाद पे so I told them that look I do not have the money okay but मैं कहीं भाग के जाने वाला नहीं हूँ जो है so give me some time I'll pay you back so कुछ लोग माने
Hmm.
कुछ लोग नहीं माने जो लोग नहीं माने I had to borrow from my mom's provident fund and paid them and after
Hmm.
that next 2-3 years of life I did everything जो है जिससे मतलब you can earn some money जो है you do some consulting project you do make some corporate films you write some
Hmm.
content you make websites and all so ऐसे ऐसे करके जो है and उन्हीं बीच जो है I saw this advertisement of something called Taj Enlightened Film Society okay तो मैंने
Hmm.
देखा ताज एनलाइटन फिल्म सोसाइटी मैंने बोला ये तो बड़ा अच्छा कंसेप्ट है यार ताज स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है एंड यू आर रनिंग अ फिल्म क्लब ओके
Hmm.
सो आई स्टार्टेड समथिंग कॉल्ड सनसेट बुलेवार्ड फिल्म क्लब okay in Ahmedabad
Okay.
so Sunset Boulevard Film Club is basically जो है मेरे पास ऑलरेडी वहाँ के फिल्म फेस्टिवल का डेटाबेस था एंड ऑल दिस थिंग. सो माय टारगेट वाज दैट कि आई यूज्ड टू सेल memberships for around 4,800 rupees for an year. Okay.
Hmm.
And like every week जो है I used to show one film. Okay. उन्हीं दिनों में
Okay.
जो है PVR made entry into Ahmedabad. Okay.
Okay.
So I went to meet the manager at PVR, and then like मैंने उनके साथ एक understanding की. So every Thursday I used to pay them some 18,000 rupees, 20,000, 25,000 rupees, depending upon the size of the auditorium. Okay. And I used to screen a film. Okay, screen a film as in
Okay.
द गॉडफादर हो गया, या कोई रीजनल फिल्म हो गया, कैसाब्लांका हो गया, क्लासिक्स, रीजनल फिल्म्स, इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म्स, दैट काइंड ऑफ. एंड लाइक
Right.
धीरे 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 जो है वो the shows started becoming very popular, and I almost started having almost like houseful kind of shows. Okay.
Hmm.
तो cinema manager at PVR Ahmedabad, and he just informed जो है the PVR head office at गुड़गांव that एक लड़का है, आता है, ऊट पटांग पिक्चरें दिखाता है, बट पब्लिक बड़ी भर भर के आती है. So there is this lady called Shalu Sabarwal, जो है, she's a senior vice president at PVR Cinemas, and like Shalu, she's also like one of my mentors. I learned so much from her. So Shalu,
Hmm.
she came to Ahmedabad, and he was like कि शील कुछ साथ में मिलके करते हैं and all this thing.
Hmm.
जो है, why don't you do something for us? So I did a film festival for them called Ray-Ban Return of the Greatest Classics. Return of the Greatest Classics. It was a seven city film festival where we showed all this
Okay.
Godfather, Casablanca, and all this kind of the classic films. Okay.
Right.
It was sponsored by Ray-Ban. Okay. And like it was a huge, huge success. Okay. Like the PGR made tremendous amount of profit in that, and I was also paid some money. And
Hmm.
so I started having developing good relations with the top management at PVR. And then we repeated that thing again with another festival called Harley Davidson Freedom Film Festival. It was like
Hmm.
a film festival for Harley fans, Harley Davidson fans. So
Right.
um, we showed a lot of this biker films, kind of Easy Rider kind of
Hmm.
film.
Right.
So I think it was December. I think no, not December. It was January 2010. I think I
Hmm.
got a call from Shalu, and Shalu was like, "कि Sheil, uh, जो है मिस्टर बिजली wants to start top notch cinema chain kind of called PVR Director's Cut, which is like
Hmm.
which will be something like the ArcLight experience. So and which where we'll have not only movie theaters, but we'll have lot many other things. Okay, so we were looking for someone to spearhead the project. So I and she was like, "Why don't you talk to Gautam sir? Give him a call in the evening." And I called Gautam sir in the evening, and he was like, "शील बेटा, जो तुम करते हो वही करना जो है, but you come to Gurgaon, you come work with us, and जो
Hmm.
है, so तुम्हारा भी bandwidth बढ़ेगा, network बढ़ेगा, and हमारा भी वो होगा, so you come." सो मैंने फिर पूछा, मैंने बोला, सर पैसे कितने मिलेंगे? तो सर थोड़ा हंसने हंसने लग गए, तो जो
Hmm.
है, एंड लाइक वी हैड अ गुड चैट. एंड देन सो देन आई आस्क्ड हिम कि व्हेन शुड आई जॉइन. ही सेड यू कैन जॉइन फ्रॉम टुमारो. मैंने बोला कल से तो कैसे पॉसिबल होगा जो है.
Hmm.
एंड सो आई टुक अ मंथ्स टाइम, एंड इन February 2010, I think 10 or 11, huh?
Okay.
I I ended up I finally moved to Gurgaon, and जो है, and so in Gurgaon, like once I started working on the director's cut project, I realized that कि ये जो है यहाँ पे like the director's cut previous director's cut at वसंत कुछ, it had four auditoriums, like जो
Hmm.
है अलग अलग capacity के, and the idea was that कि एक auditorium is dedicated to showing some kind of alternate content or some kind of मतलब जो है not the regular films that we're screening, but something special, more curated content will be the right thing. Okay,
Right.
so जो सनसेट बुलेवर्ड फिल्म बन गया पीवीआर रेयर फिल्म क्लब. ओके, बट द
Okay.
थिंग वाज दैट कि पहले मैं जो है वीक में एक ही बार फिल्म दिखाता था, एक फिल्म दिखाता था, एक स्क्रीनिंग करता था. ओके,
Hmm.
नाउ आई हैव अ ऑडिटोरियम लाइक जिसमें जो है यू नीड टू डू 3-4 शोज जो है per day. And the thing
Hmm.
is that ki now it's like you're PVR. You are no longer a small indie startup kind of. Okay, so like
Correct.
you need to have proper projection system. You cannot screen films with DVDs anymore. Okay,
Correct.
so जो है तो and like to importing it is not possible कि you get those Godfather and all prints
Right.
from abroad, which is not financially and logistically feasible नहीं था. तो हमें जो है कि कहाँ से नया कंटेंट आएगा. So like I was like मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि उन दिनों में ना दिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में जो this indie films and all they आज
Right.
तो it although this films regularly release in cinemas तब उतना release नहीं होता था. It was very like it was मतलब clearly demarcated that only the
Hmm.
proper mainstream films will release and छोटी ये सब जो फिल्में होती है those will be screened in film clubs, film festivals and all. Okay,
Hmm.
so जो है so I asked my बॉस जो है कि if I can do some kind of experiment and I have to tell you PVR is like one of the best places to work for like the
Hmm.
both Ajay Bijli, Sandeep Bijli, the founder and managing director, as well as the top bosses like Gautam Datta, Shalu Savarwal, everyone there is like they're so open to new ideas and
Hmm.
they give you the independence to experiment, which is very important, which is very rare in most corporates in India. Okay, so I did an experiment. I released an independent film. Like it was like we could sold only some 1500 1600 tickets. It was a
Hmm.
disaster. Okay, and then I released another film like which was also an equally disaster. But by the time the third film released, so I was figuring out, I have started figuring out few things, and the first time we saw money was like the fifth film.
Okay.
ओके, तो धीरे धीरे ऐसे करते करते जो है मुझे इतना रियलाइज हुआ कि इंडिया में जो है ना जो द क्वालिटी ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकिंग इज नॉट that up to mark. It's very mediocre and it is very difficult. It is impossible to sustain a banner only on independent films. Okay, Indian
Hmm.
independent films. So we started
Correct.
mixing and matching mixing content like we started getting some international independent films like her Nebraska, Inside Levin Davis, that kind of, or we started doing some documentary films like Superman and Malega, Celluloid
Hmm.
Man, and Fire in the Blood, that kind of. We also started doing some short film packages. Then we realized, then we figured out that regional films जो होती है जो है बंगाली film will at that time release only in Bengal, or a Malayali film will Malayalam film would release in Kerala. So we started what we started doing. We started taking regional content out of its home state. So we started releasing a Bengali film in Delhi, also Bombay, also Pune, also Hyderabad, also. धीरे धीरे
Hmm.
धीरे धीरे करके we figured out that this regional films outside there are certain pockets where these films do very well. So
Correct.
ऐसे करते 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 जो है फाइनली लाइक इन 3 4 years ऑफ टाइम जो है like I ended up working on some more than 85, almost like close to 85 90 films.
Right.
Then I realized that अब जो है धीरे धीरे अब मेरे को लग रहा था कि अब बहुत हो गया जो है ये distribution and all this thing. Now I something want to do something new. So this is something with me. With every few years I feel like मतलब reinventing myself, doing something
Hmm.
more. Okay, so I can't keep doing the same thing for a long period of time. It kind of bores me. Okay, so
Okay.
at that time, like Drishyam films had started, they had done one film, Aankhon Dekhi, Rajat Kapoor's Aankhon Dekhi,
Hmm.
and I had met Manish Mundra, the founder of Drishyam, at Rajat's house, I guess, Rajat's place, I think, once and all. And uske
Hmm.
baad, like we kind of stayed in touch, and then जो है in October 2014 or November 2014, I quit PVR. I thought कि quit PVR to focus on a film. Okay, so I wanted to direct
Okay.
a film at that time. Which has something to do with Sri Lankan civil war. Okay, and
Okay.
so I went to Sri Lanka to work on that, and then one day, like I think it was in February or March in 2015, when I received a call from Manish, and so Manish messaged कि I want you to join as CEO. एंड जब सीईओ सुना तो मैं भी थोड़ा लालच में आ गया, टेम्पटेशन में आ गया. हर आदमी
Hmm.
जो है एवरीवन आल्सो बिकम अ सीईओ एट वन
Correct.
पॉइंट इन लाइफ. तो मैंने भी
True.
बोला, तो आई टोल्ड मनीष बट आई वांट टू डू दिस फिल्म जो है। सो मनीष ने बोला कोई बात नहीं, दैट्स फाइन, लाइक वी विल डू दिस टुगेदर। मैंने बोला या दिस इज लाइक आई माइट बी द लकीस्ट पर्सन ऑन अर्थ कि एक तो मुझे आई एम गेटिंग स्टूडियो रन करने के लिए मिल रहा है, आई एम गेटिंग अ गुड पे पैकेज एंड मेरी फिल्म भी बन रही है, एंड लाइक व्हाट मोर यू कैन आस्क फॉर जो है। एंड लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इट विल शॉर्टन माय जर्नी बाय ऑलमोस्ट लाइक काइंड ऑफ जो है 10-15 साल शायद वो, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, आई वांट टू बिल्ड अ स्टूडियो।
Hmm.
ओके
Hmm.
जो है। सो फिर मैंने डिस्ट्रीम ज्वाइन किया एंड इट वाज लाइक फैंटास्टिक 2 years. आई got to work on a lot of exciting projects starting from Niraj Gevans Mastan, Anu Menon's Waiting, Nagesh Ukunu's Dhanak, Amit Masuska's Newton was one project like which
Hmm.
I kind of developed from scratch. So I worked on Amit's Suleimani Kira's release while I was at PVR. Okay,
Okay.
and that's how I know Amit. And one day I met Amit, ऐसे ही मिल जाता है इनफॉर्मल जो है। फिर अमित ने
Correct.
मेरे को एक जो है just he was telling how in like the Gir forest in Gujarat, like they do they keep elections for like for voting by very like a handful of couple of 4-5 people kind of something, or in Leh Ladakh
Hmm.
there is a polling booth like where जो है 12-13 लोगों के लिए ये जो है and voting कराई जाती है and all these things. So somehow
Hmm.
like कि I was like कि मतलब I think there is a good potential in this and this can be made into a very good film. Okay, so at the time we didn't have any script in place. Okay,
Okay.
so तो फिर मैंने अमित को बोला कि जस्ट तो इसको थोड़ा डेवलप करो आप जो है एंड
Hmm.
कम बैक विद सम स्टोरी और समथिंग जो है। सो आई थिंक आई दैट वाज आई थिंक जून 2015, I think June
Okay.
2015, and then I think within a month's टाइम और 1-2 महीने के अंदर जो है अमित ने आया, अमित ने ही अमित एंड मयंक तिवारी, the
Right.
writer of Newton, so they narrated something to me and I kind of liked it and जो है, so it was not a fully developed idea but yeah they have some uh, it's kind of a they had some kind of a beat sheet or what is so a broad story kind, okay,
Okay.
broad story. Then like I had so I had gone to Dubai to meet Manish, so we had some work to discuss and all, and
Hmm.
we had a meeting with an international filmmaker. So जो है I was sitting, me and Manish were sitting in the reception of that hotel and waiting for that filmmaker to come. And it was like in 5 minutes, I narrated Manish the story. Okay, ये ऐसा ऐसा है and all this thing. This is the kind of story and all. And Manish was like कि ये कर पाएगा जो है। मैंने बोला कि I know
Hmm.
the filmmaker. I have seen his first film. Okay, so
Hmm.
मुझे जो है लड़के पे तो जो है I have trust in this guy
Feel.
अमित जो है।
Hmm.
एंड फिर या तो मैंने उसने बोला कि ठीक है फिर जो है इफ यू थिंक दैट he'll be able to pull it off, so let's try. So then after that we greenlit the project and then Manish Amit and Mayank started writing it, and I think by October, November, I think we had a full bound screenplay. Like it had gone through 2-3 iterations, 2-3 drafts and all. But yeah,
Hmm.
it was a good enough. It was a very good enough. Oh, I remember I did it first time when I was traveling, going to my hometown in Jorhat. So I was on my flight from Kolkata to Jorhat. I read the full script in one go, and I quite enjoyed it. And
Hmm.
I think we started shooting for the film in February end and
Okay.
March and we shot the film in Chhattisgarh. And then one thing led to the another. Like at that time, we never thought that it will be such massive success. Okay,
Correct.
but yeah. So there's been quite a good experience. Yeah. So and
Right.
finally, but धीरे धीरे जो है after doing couple of films जो है in वो so I was now getting restless जो है। ओके, सो मुझे जो है आई एट द टाइम लाइक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि नाउ आई जो है, और पहले क्या होता था कि थोड़ा सा लाइफ भी जो है इनिशियल डेज में इट्स मोर अबाउट कि एक ब्रेड एंड बटर जो है, आपके डेली रेंट
Hmm.
कहाँ से आएगा, खाना कहाँ से आएगा, वो सब वो होता है बदलाव। धीरे धीरे अब मेरा जो है थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल भी थोड़ा ठीक होने लगा था एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, और सेविंग्स भी बन रहे थे एंड ऑल दिस थिंग, तो मेरे
Hmm.
रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी भी ऑल्सो इक्वली बढ़े जा रहा था, बढ़ रहा
Correct.
था। एंड देन मुझे लग रहा था कि ओके, आई हैव वर्कड नाउ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक फॉर अ डिकेड नाउ, जो है आई नाउ वांट टू, I want to now make a film जो है। और क्या हो रहा था कि many people who used to come to me earlier जो है
Hmm.
कि to take feedback from कि सर ये एक short film plan कर रहे हैं, कैसे करना है, वो करना है, थोड़ा guide कर
Hmm.
दीजिए and all this. So most of these guys have now moved on and they have become like national award winning filmmakers, and किसी ने कोई hit
Hmm.
film बना ली and all। मैं बोला मतलब ये सब तो यार, जिन जिन बच्चों को मैं पहले गाइड करता था ये तो सब आगे बढ़ गए हैं। ओके, तो
Hmm.
मैं तो लगता है कि जो है ये सब में ही वो हो गया ना। आई वाज गेटिंग अ बिट रेस्टलेस टू डू माय डायरेक्ट माय ओन फिल्म। ओके,
Correct.
so I quit Drishyam in September 2016, I think. September, yeah, September 2016. And
Okay.
so first I tried to, first 2 3 months I tried to put together a project which I can direct. Okay, but it
Hmm.
somehow didn't happen. Okay,
Okay.
so what I did then, I started focusing on producing, kind of
Okay.
producing and distributing, which this marketing and distributing, which I am really good at. Okay,
Hmm.
so marketing and distribution of independent films. So in June, we started this company called Platoon One Films, and then we started doing a lot of projects. And we produced 2 3 films. जो है धीरे धीरे things started falling in place, and one thing led to the another. So धीरे धीरे करके now, yeah, things are moving. We are happy. We have some good plans in place. So let's hope for the
That's
best.
nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. And like, so like you come from Assam, and like, so do you ever feel like you want to go back at your home state and like want to make some really good films in the regional languages there?
I will definitely produce. I do not know whether I want to go back or not. Okay,
Hmm.
mostly
Hmm.
like I would like to like I like being in Mumbai. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so but yes, definitely I have some active interest in producing regional content. We have produced a Marathi film called Picasso, which will release in 2021. Okay,
Okay.
and definitely I am looking for some interesting concept, interesting ideas. We will definitely produce more of regional content, even Assamese films, Bengali films, and all. But I think I'll be based in Mumbai only for some time, and maybe like I want to
Hmm.
spend a couple of years, maybe 2 3 years, on short assignment or
Hmm.
some short project or a sabbatical, studying
Right.
something. So I have this. So तब मैं US में नहीं रह पाया, तो like now I want to जो है maybe go back to an Ivy League school or something, do something
Right.
जो है, maybe stay for a year or so in the US. That's something I don't know when it will uh, होगा भी कि नहीं, but yeah, that is something
That is some
I
plan that
I
you have.
I have in mind. Yeah.
Right, right. And like, what, like you have worked on so many, projects and also, what is one of your favorite and memorable stories from a movie set, from the movie set?
So memorable story तो ऐसे तो बहुत सारे हैं. I cannot like think of anything specific.
Maybe something like you, when you sometimes think about it, and
Yeah.
feel
So
like,
so 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 जो है, the thing is that कि uh, when we were shooting this film called Yours Truly in Kolkata. So at that time the उसका जो है Yours Truly का a lot major portion of the film, happens inside a train. Okay, in a train,
okay,
and like so हमारा shooting शायद 9th of December से शुरू होने वाला था, and by I think 6 हमारे पास 6 7th December तक शायद kind of जो है वो परमिशन नहीं था रेलवेज के जो है, वी आर ट्राइंग वेल लेवल
Okay.
बेस्ट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस all this bureaucratic approach and but it was taking its own time and maybe our line
Hmm.
producer there was also not that effective and things are not happening, so me and Nikhil Chaudhary जो है जो है हम दोनों ने जो है somehow like we kind of pulled it off finally जो है almost like जो है 12 hours में भी जो है कल से शूटिंग स्टार्ट होने वाली है एंड
Oh.
लाइक जो है तो फाइनली वन डे बिफोर वी वर एबल टू पुल इट ऑफ जो है जैसे
Hmm.
तैसे करके एंड लाइक जब when you have to shoot it twice, it's a very complicated process kind of thing and then
Hmm.
you need to ensure two full trains जो है कि कुछ हो गया तो जो है वो करना है, बहुत सारे परमिशन डिपॉजिट प्रोसेसेस यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ लेके जाओ. The thing is that maybe like we didn't want to bribe anyone, okay, so
Right.
जो है हम अगर ब्राइब करते तो शायद थिंग्स कुड सब बोलते हैं लाइन प्रोड्यूसर बोलते सब पैसा खर्च करो तो जो है, बट हमारा क्या था कि हम उसको बिना ब्राइट के बिना उसके करना चाहते थे एंड इट टुक
Right.
अस टाइम, इट वाज लाइक एकदम हाईली टेंस सिचुएशन काइंड ऑफ. कल से शूटिंग स्टार्ट करना
Yeah.
है और हमारे पास परमिशन नहीं है बट फाइनली लाइक 12 hours बिफोर shoot जो है finally we got the permission and all it happened, so that is. And there is something another also. I remember I was working on the release of this Sri Lankan film called Sri Lankan film called With You Without You, Prasanna Vitanage. Prasanna Vitanage is also like now like one of my the guru mentor kind of thing. Sir has also guided me very well in life जो है. I have
Okay.
assisted sir also. सो जो है सर की फिल्म की रिलीज थी, प्रीमियर शो था एट पीवीआर जुहू
Hmm.
जो है शाम को जो है 8 बजे के आसपास एंड हमें उस टाइम तक सेंसर नहीं मिल पाया था
Oh.
एंड ऑल्दो आई यूज्ड टू वर्क इन पीवीआर बट द ऑपरेशन टीम वाज वेरी क्लियर कि अगर सेंसर नहीं मिलेगा यू कैन नॉट स्क्रीन अ फिल्म, ओके, सो
Hmm.
दैट इज
Hmm.
अगेंस्ट द लॉ जो है. सो 8 बजे तक सबको पूरी दुनिया को बुला लिया था एंड हमारे पास जो है तब तक सेंसर आ नहीं पाया था एंड जो है एंड सेंसर का जो है जो साइनिंग अथॉरिटी होता है मे बी ही वाज ऑन लीव और कुछ नहीं था एंड ऑल. सो आई
Hmm.
tried all my resources, called up people and all, and somehow जो है कोई जाके जो है मे बी आई थिंक मतलब शाम को 6 साढ़े 6 बजे उनको जैसे तैसे साइन वाइन करके सर्टिफिकेट निकाल के लाके जो है फाइनली आई थिंक 7-7:15 के आसपास सर्टिफिकेट हमारे हाथ में आया एंड आठ
Okay.
8 बजे वी डिड स्क्रीनिंग. सो these are like not these are like something like very high tense kind of high very
Correct.
tense situation जो है मतलब
Hmm.
on the edge kind of thing and so that way yeah, so these are some I remember, yeah.
Yeah, and like your latest movie, "Aapke Aa Jaane Se," like it's a very it's short film and it's a very sweet film. So, what was the idea behind this movie? And like, can you tell us a little bit more about that?
So the idea was that I was very much I was very much I saw this film called Wild Tales. You may have also seen Wild Tales,
Hmm.
and it was nominated for the best foreign film Oscar Academy. I think in 2014, 13, 14 summer. Like I don't exactly
Mhm.
remember the year. And I was kind of like I was so impressed by watching that film, and I was like, let's do a anthology. Let's get some. Top-notch independent filmmakers of the country, and
Oh,
let's do an anthology based on some one idea kind of. Okay,
right.
so we had two writers, Raghav Kakkar and Kashyap Kapoor. Okay, me and like 2 3 other members of the team, and we were
Hmm.
brainstorming ki what can be that one universal emotion, which we can provide to this, which we can suggest to these filmmakers to make an anthology series on. Okay,
Hmm.
so while doing this, I think it was Raghav who suggested कि सर फेम पे करते हैं फेम पे. तो मैं
Hmm.
आई वाज लाइक कि फेम तो नहीं है, मैं बोला अब किसी भी चीज का मेटेरिक राइज दिखाना पड़ेगा तो यू विल हैव टू डू शो स्केल. ओके,
Hmm.
जो है स्केल दिखाने के लिए विल नीड लॉट ऑफ मनी, लॉट ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बैंडविड्थ एंड ऑल. हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज बहुत कम है जो है, सो मे बी फेम इज नॉट द. तो ही वाज लाइक नहीं 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 सर, क्या आपने वो डांसिंग अंकल का वीडियो नहीं दिखा जो है कल, जो है इंस्टेंट फिल्म का जमाना है. तो
Hmm.
दैट दैट काइंड आइडिया काइंड ऑफ स्टेड विथ मी फॉर सम टाइम, एंड लाइक so after that what we did is like we quickly developed a screenplay and all. This was I think around it happened very fast actually, 17th of
Okay.
March के आसपास जो है. And like in like 10-12 days of time जो है we wrote the screenplay. Raghavan Kashyap wrote it जो है, they
Okay.
wrote the screenplay. We put together a team in place, and we shot the film in 3 days in Ghaziabad. Okay,
Okay.
I think 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of April, and we premiered the film at New York Indian Film Festival organized by Asim Chabra
Okay.
on 9th of May. So this all these things happened pretty fast.
Uh,
It was a very good experience. It was a very good experience. Like yeah, this
Indeed,
is
indeed,
like
and like
you were asking now which what those 3 days we like we shot for almost like I guess I don't know 14 to 18 hours a day almost, because we had limited funds and we had limited uh, the access to the whatever locations, actors, or
right.
whatever. So, and if you see the film, although it's a short film, like
Yeah.
it's like pretty it has like the film had some 40 extras. Then
Hmm.
it's shot. There are some school scenes, and it has
Right.
almost like 7-8 locations. Okay, it has a song. Okay, so that way, like it's almost like it has all the tam jam of a feature. Okay,
Exactly.
so like it was that was like I think that was like the best 3 days of my life, and it was a very good experience. I want to relive that experience again very soon. Yeah.
Exactly, and I think whosoever has seen that short film, especially when you released it for a limited time on online, like
Yeah.
everybody appreciated that movie. Like everybody loved that movie very much.
Yes, yes, yes. We have got some very good response. Yeah. So let's hope it will come on some platform very soon. Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully, and while ending this the podcast, I just wanted to ask you what would be your suggestions to some young filmmakers who want to get into filmmaking and who are just trying to find their niche in this whole industry.
Okay. So maybe the best thing is that if you're very serious, okay, come to Mumbai, okay, try to work in some film group, okay, and start building your connections from there. Okay,
Hmm.
so many a times it's not very clear to you what you want to do, whether you want to direct or whether you want to produce, whether you want to write, whether you want to work as a production designer, costume designer, whatever it
Hmm.
is. Okay,
Hmm.
so you need to figure out what you want to do. Okay, what you
Right.
want to do is one thing. Then
Hmm.
second is, are you good at it? Okay, do
Right.
you have the skill set for it? Okay,
Hmm.
for example, I'll give you an example. I want to direct a film. Okay,
Right.
I want to be a director, say. Okay,
Hmm.
but not necessarily I have the skill set to write something. Okay,
Right.
write something. So instead of me writing and trying to
Hmm.
direct what I write, I always
Hmm.
look for great material. Okay,
Correct.
so I think one thing which we all need for success as well as your own satisfaction is that you need to be very much aware of your shortcomings also. Okay,
Hmm.
जो
Hmm.
है कि and we should not live in a fool's world. Okay,
Correct.
जो
Correct.
है so ये पता होना जो है देखो कि what are your shortcomings, okay, and
Hmm.
how to get the best people or team to complement you, okay, so that
Correct.
your
Correct.
shortcomings can be taken care of. I think that's my style. That's how, and I always believe filmmaking is a very collaborative process. Okay,
Correct.
so
Correct.
I think spend some time, work on a few film set जो है, assisting someone or just interning. Okay,
Hmm.
work in a film production company. Okay, take some time, figure out what you want to do, what
Correct.
and what you are good at. Okay, and then find a way how to get it done. So the best thing जो है, ये बहुत famous quote है, I think you we all have read it, जो है कि um, if you start getting paid for your hobby, okay,
Right.
for doing what you love, there cannot be anything better than that. Okay,
Absolutely.
so
Very
so
true.
so so all the people who are in the film industry are doing good. Okay, मैं मुझे लगता है कि they all love their job, they all love the
Hmm.
craft, they all love the fun of working, जो है writing something, directing something, and at the same time they are getting paid for it. ठीक है,
Correct.
so there cannot be a more fulfilling career uh, than that. I guess मुझे अभी
Absolutely.
ऐसा लगता है कि I never feel like working only because this is something I love so much. Okay,
Hmm.
so मुझे मुझे मतलब कभी फील ही नहीं होता कि जैसे आई एम वॉकिंग वॉकिंग काइंड ऑफ. सो आई
Correct.
थिंक वो चीज आ जाती है ना तो things becomes much easier and exciting as well.
Very true. Very true. And like, what is one genre that you always love to make movies in?
I want to make a great newsroom kind of film. Okay, so
Okay.
so newsroom kind of All the President's Man is one of my all-time favorite films. Okay,
Hmm, hmm,
and I will tell you what kind of films I want to make. I want to make a film like All the President's Man. Okay,
hmm.
um, political thriller is something also like which excites me very much. I
Ah,
like there is this film called Munich. There is film called
hmm.
The Day of the Jackal.
Right.
Then I also want to make a I love this film this Clint Eastwood film. Uh,
Okay.
I'm so bad with names. जो है. So this is like that is something. Bridges of Madison County. Okay, so this is
Okay.
Madison County is also like one of my all-time favorite films. Then there is this Alan Parker film, Mississippi Burning. Okay, so
Hmm,
these are the kind of films. These are like then. Uh, the Last King of Scotland. Okay, so
hmm,
these are
hmm.
some films which I really like, and I want to make some films like this someday. And in Indian films, I like that. I Lakshya is a very favorite film of mine. Luck by
Right.
Chance is a very favorite film of mine. Rocket Singh, Salesman of the Year. I like
Hmm.
very much. So Talwar is something which I again like. So Bareli Ki Barfi is again a very whenever I have watched Bareli Ki Barfi so many times that whenever I am
Hmm.
traveling on flight,
Hmm.
Bareli Ki Barfi होता ही more or less. So I have watched Bareli Ki Barfi I think 3-4 times only on flights, international
Okay.
flights. So my idea is that we have to tell important stories. We have to tell important stories, but at the same time I do not like those films like जो intellectual bullshit kind of होते हैं ना जो
Eh,
है. So at the end of the day, film it has to be engaging, it has to be
correct.
entertaining, it has to
Correct.
be so वो you do not have to. I think audience को bore करना is like the biggest crime. Okay,
Very true.
so
Very true.
so let's see up now when you get to see more of my directorial work, how much I am able to achieve what I aspire for. So
Correct.
yeah,
Correct. I hope that you do. I do because like this film was very nice, and like I hope we get to see much of those films from you in the near future.
thank you so much, Akash. Yeah,
Thank you, Shilajit, for being on the Unnamed podcast and talking to me. Yeah.
thank you, thanks a lot. Yep.
Well, I hope कि आपको ये एपिसोड ऑफ द अननेम पॉडकास्ट बेहद पसंद आया हो. एंड इफ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस कंटेंट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो दिस पॉडकास्ट वेयर एवर यू आर गेटिंग अ पॉडकास्ट. और मैं आपसे मिलूंगा अगले एपिसोड में. टिल देन, यू गाइस स्टे कूल, स्टे टाइट एंड लिव लाइफ ह्यूमन साइज.